Eco Magic Art. Magic Hat. Kids, let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's an apple. Today, we're going to learn how to draw an apple. And guess what? We'll also learn about the alphabet letter A. Big A and small a. Are you ready? Grab your crayons, pencils, or markers, and let's get started. Let's begin with the big A. Now fill it with a bright yellow color. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
We have completed our first drawing. Let's draw another one. Kids, are you enjoying? We will use blue color for this one. Now, let's draw our apple. Start by making a big circle or an oval. Don't worry if it's not perfect, every apple is different. Next, draw a little dent at the top of the circle. Now let's draw the stem. Draw a short line going up from the top of your apple. Then, add a small leaf next to the stem. Just make a tiny oval shape for the leaf. It's time to color our apple. It's coloring time. What color are apples usually? That's right! Most apples are red, but some can be green or yellow too. We are going to color our apple red. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Wow! This looks beautiful. Kids, do you agree?
Yes!
Look, kids! It's already looking delicious. Let's take a green color for the leaf. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Brown color for this stem. Our apple is ready to eat.
Wow!
Great job, little artists.
Hooray!
Kids, you did amazing today. We learned how to draw an apple and practiced the letter A. Remember, A is for apple. Show your drawing to your family and friends. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time.